In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Jira and create forms for your projects effectively. Whether you're new to project management software or just need a little refresher, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Starting out, you'll want to head over to your Jira account. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Once you're on Jira's homepage, you'll find a dashboard filled with various features and functionalities designed to streamline your project management experience. Your next move is to locate your project within Jira. Typically, you'll have a list of projects visible on your dashboard. Go ahead and click on the project you want to work on. Once inside your project, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. You're specifically looking for the option labeled Forms. This feature is usually placed within easy access, often in the navigation bar or as a tab within your project settings. By selecting Forms, you're opening up an integral component that allows you to craft the necessary documentation for tracking and managing your project's progress. Now let's focus on creating a new form. Inside the Forms section, look for a button or link that says Create Form. This simple action is where the magic begins. Once you click on Create Form, you'll be presented with options to choose from. Typically, you'll have the choice between creating an epic or a task form. An epic is a large body of work that can be divided into smaller tasks, whereas a task is a single piece of work within a project. Consider the scope of what you're working on to choose the most appropriate form type that aligns with your project's needs. After selecting your preferred type, take the necessary time to fill in the form details accurately. This could include project goals, specific task descriptions, deadlines, and assigned team members. Accuracy and thoroughness here can greatly aid in clear communication and project tracking down the road. Once you've completed these steps, you've successfully created a form in Jira. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance project visibility and team collaboration. To conclude, take a moment to review everything you've entered to ensure it's all correct. When you're satisfied, simply save the form. Once saved, this form becomes an active part of your project management toolkit, ready to assist in the efficient tracking and management of your team's efforts. And that's it. You've just streamlined a portion of your project management workflow with a few simple clicks within Jira. If you followed along, congratulations on creating your first form, enhancing both your project's organization and your team's productivity.